What do you call a bird that's afraid of heights?
I don't know. What?
A chicken.
Yes, a chicken. But there are about 40 species of birds that lost their ability to fly through evolution. This includes ostriches, kiwis, emus, and penguins, commonly known as ratites. When confronted by predators, they run or swim to safety.
Are there birds that are afraid of heights?
You mean an acrophobic bird? It's rare, but it can happen, especially to birds raised indoors who don't get much experience flying. Most birds, however, aren't afraid of heights at all. Not even fledglings.